Statistics shows many businesses, especially local business owners, are struggling to get the best results from their digital marketing, particularly from Google Ads campaign. Maybe you are one of them who are spending too much for digital marketing, but is still far behind from your return of investment. I understand the frustration of wasted ad spend. Trust me, you are not alone who are facing this problem. I'm Md Jasim Ahmed, SEM specialist. I can turn underperforming Google Ads campaign into high converting engine. I will deep dive into your campaigns and optimizing everything like keyword research, ad copy creation, audience targeting, bid management, as well as analytics. I will give you a detailed PDF report and mark all of your mistakes. My goal is to ensure that every dollar you spend return more for your business, driving more click conversions and ultimately revenue. Let's fix your Google Ads campaign. If you want to see the magical results and want to filter your budget further, just send me a message.